Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, we are going to learn how to get repost button on TikTok. It's a very easy and simple process and it works both in iOS as well as in Android. So let's begin. First of all, just open your TikTok account and as you can see over here, if you press on the share button, this one, so the first option shows repost. Now how to get this repost button? It's a very easy and simple process. Just press on profile. After pressing on profile, just press on the three lines on the top right corner. Press on three lines, then press on settings and privacy. After that, in the content and activity option, the first one, push notification, just press on push notifications. And as you can see in the interactions, in the fifth one, it shows repost, and as I have turned it on, so just go back. When you turn it on, go back, go to home, and again press on share button, and on the first you can see it's repost. Press on repost and it shows I have reposted. So this is the way to turn on or to get a repost button on TikTok.